is there always food on our table?
We wanted to film this episode together, but we didn't have the time to do it. We are on the ground.
Oh.
Great breakfast and egg. Let's have a look if the sounds are gonna be good. Test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3.
What kind of cookies you got?
It's pastry, it's not cookies.
Pastries.
So basically, this is the grandma's pastry. It's called. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. It's called the grandma's pastry.
We are surrounded by grandmas, and I thought she was joking. At the moment, actually, I think we are the youngest.
Is true. We are absolutely the youngest.
Pair the AirPods. Let me position the camera. There you go.
Can you help me out?
Hold the button on the back.
Yeah, but it's not at where the button is, so.
Yes, because the little owl it's a different case, so let's have a look.
It's cuter, but it doesn't seem to work.
Come a bit closer. Come a little bit closer. My goodness, my voice today.
Why is there always food on our table?
The question is not why, it's why not? Sorry about the noise.
Yeah.
Okay, synced.
Yes.
Get these things out.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Do you want one?
I do.
Bling.
Go on the videos that I just airdropped, okay? Don't play it yet. Here's the video. I prepared the video of the room overview downstairs of the creative space.
Yeah.
And I filmed it and edited, but of course before releasing it, I wanted to ask you if you think it's up to where it should be quality-wise. So if you have anything else to add, then we can eventually add it to the video.
Chiara's review.
Chiara's review. Hashtag
Chiara's review.
Ready?
From the list, it's at the second spot.
Second spot.
Chiara's review.
This is first spot, this is second spot. Okay.
Can I play?
Should we share it with them at the same time?
Yeah, let's do it.
So we'll find out together if we'll be releasing this video. Means, you know, it passed the test and that's good enough.
We'll see.
The reason is we wanted to film this episode together, but we didn't have the time to do it. So we are reviewing it now, and since we want to stick to the weekly schedule we set at the beginning of the year.
Which we are.
Okay, so this is what we have to work with. Ready?
Yeah.
Boom. Hello world. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the, well, work in progress creative space. We are on the ground.
Oh.
Behind me, this is gonna be room number 1, and this is gonna be room number 2. The two rooms are gonna be separated by a wall that we're gonna position right here.
Yeah.
In this room, well, we're gonna use this as a control room. And this other space, we're gonna be using it for recording and other creative activities. Let's walk in room 1. As I said, it's a work in progress, so there's people going back and forth behind me progressing with the work. I'm gonna show you how the environment is structured. So we're gonna have a layer of 25 centimeters of armed concrete.
Concrete.
And then there's gonna be this layer of material which will insulate thermically. And then we are installing this other layer which will take care of the sound insulation. And essentially this will prevent sound from getting out of the room. On top of that, we will leave, and let's see if we can see it. Up here, there's going to be an empty gap between this and the inside wall of the room. The end result is going to be a room built within the room. So when we're going to play music or work with sounds, nothing's going to get out of this, and from the outside, you won't be able to hear anything.
The bunker.
The bunker.
Not even signal on the phone.
Yeah. On the bottom, see there are these little blocks, which is a layer of material for insulation for the floor, and so you're gonna be floating inside this room.
And you broke one?
What?
You broke one because you stepped on it.
But that wasn't in this room, it was in another room. Another interesting part is, let me turn the camera, let's see if you can see it.
So serious, super focused.
Serious project.
Super focused.
The other interesting part is this. We are taking care of the main infrastructure for the cabling of the creative studio, And
Oh my god, how many cables?
now it's probably tricky to understand how it's gonna be structured, but as we will progress with the work, it's gonna start to make more and more sense. Okay, I'm gonna move out because they're gonna keep moving on with the works.
Yeah. He
They
kicked
kick
you
me
out.
Like everywhere. Here's Marco working on, yeah.
Go Marco! Yay!
A dopo Marco. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tour.
I'm staying tuned. Are you? Are you? It's really specific.
Yeah,
Yeah.
is the episode good to
Very precise. Focus. Now everybody knows we have a bunker and there's a lot of concrete and it's going to be a magic room, the control room. So
Okay.
yes, absolutely. It's gonna be super cool.
Let's do a proper call to action before we're gonna jump and get to the grandma's
Cake.
grandma's cake.
Grandma's pastry.
Another Italian
But
thing.
you have to check it online because it's really called the grandma's pastry or the grandma's cake.
The grandma's cake, the grandma's
Yeah.
pastry. I'm
La
definitely
torta
gonna
della
Google
nonna.
it. Okay.
The grandma's cake. And it's delicious.
The one
Delicious.
that my grandma made didn't look like this
No,
though.
it's like as grandma. If grandma was a spiritual entity, then it would make such a cake. So it's everybody's grandma's cake.
Ah. So you're
All
going
together
deep
and it's
here.
look yes. Call to
Go,
action.
call to action. 3, 2,
Action.
1.
Subscribe.
And I leave you the honor this time.
Stay tuned.